So that video you just saw was of 21-year-old Caden Rumler of Santa Ana, who was shot in the face by federal agents during a protest against ICE following the Minnesota shooting of Renee Good. Mr. Rumler suffered serious injuries after being shot by a non-lethal round in the face. He's permanently blind in his left eye, and there's pieces of shrapnel close to his brain and carotid artery, so much so that doctors are even scared to do surgery on him because they fear if they mess up, he will bleed to death and die. Um, I don't know all the facts of the case, but if it comes out that Mr. Rumler was unarmed and posed no threat against federal agents and he was shot in the face, this is a serious lawsuit against the government, and it also shows some of the broad overreaches and uses of force against citizens as well as non-citizens in America. It's a tragedy that this happened, and I hope that the family does seek legal recourse against the federal government for their excessive use of force in this matter. Of course, more details will emerge as this is still an ongoing case, but I just feel very sad for Mr. Rumler, a 21-year-old who went to a protest and now is walking out potentially without his life. And if he does walk out with his life, he will have permanent injuries that will affect him for the rest of his days. And as an attorney, it makes me very angry that this happened to a young boy, because that's someone's son. And that's really sad that that's someone's son. And they need to have lawyers to help them. So any questions or thought, let me know.